how to cancel all friend requests sent on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to cancel all friend requests sent on Snapchat. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the profile section, simply scroll down and tap on Add Friends option. And now here, once you see the interface like this, just tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, from the pop-up menu, just tap on Friends I have recently added. And now here, on the next page, you will see all friend requests that you have sent and haven't been accepted yet. So there, you can simply select the friend that you want to remove friend request from, and after that you can simply go to their profile. And once you are in their profile, you can just tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, from the pop-up menu, you just have to tap on Manage Friendship, and there you can just tap on Remove Friend. So here, to tell you that there isn't any direct option to cancel all friend requests on Snapchat at once, but you can do it individually. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.